Less than a minute left in regulation.
Now, Snyder's not looking as much for that shot to the left leg of Nevills. Now he's coming back with this straight-on shots, all right, which are a little bit more easier for the big man to maneuver. Measuring them. Dragged there by Snyder. He'll get this with his motion.
2 points.
But is it
Less
enough?
than 30 seconds. 15-9. Riding time not a factor. It's more than a takedown away here.
You're neutral.
Looking for something big off that underhook.
There's 2 more.
No.
Great hips. Great hips by Nevills.
Wow.
And the crowd comes to their feet.
Oh.
Kyle Snyder wins, but so does Penn State.